You ever have those days where you just like cannot sleep? Like you go to bed, you toss and turn, you get so much on your mind that you just literally cannot fall asleep. And you start wondering, well, maybe I should just wake up and get stuff done early and start the day right now. This is one of those nights. I've been tossing and turning for seemingly hours. I honestly don't think I've fallen asleep once tonight. So, I'm just going to get up and get the jamming. Here we go. Oh, by the way, I weighed 189 point something today, which is the heaviest I've been in years, which means I'm about to hit 190, which is the heaviest I've been in years. So that's what we're looking at right now. Alright, y'all, so it's been a productive morning thus far. I hate that I didn't get any sleep, but I like that I got up early and just started working. I got the video out early from yesterday. I got a head start on doing some accounting. I got a head start on just getting organized. I did some email. It's been good so far. We're headed to the gym right now to train chest, I believe. I am using some Keto Logic Patriot Pop BHB. This is honestly really, really tasty. Just to recap, I do not recommend exogenous ketones if the primary goal is to lose body fat. I'm in a bulk, so I'm using it now from like an anti-inflammatory standpoint. So that's what I'm doing there. I put a scoop in. Actually, I got 2 of these bottles of water. I got about half a scoop in each one. I'm gonna drink these intra-workout. So yeah, let's go train some chest. You got your earbuds?
Got my earbuds.
Let's see them one more time. So they come in like a little charging case. And that's what they look like. You excited to try them out?
I'm really excited to try them out.
Alright, you think they're gonna fall out or no?
No.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, I'm changing the positioning and the form of my flat barbell bench press. Previously, I would keep my elbows in and I'd engage a lot more triceps and a lot more lats, and I was able to get a heavier weight because of that. But since I'm a bodybuilder, not a powerlifter, I'm trying to engage more chest, stimulate more growth there. I'm not worried about my lats or my triceps when I'm doing bench press. So rather than having my elbows close to my side, I'm gonna bring those up a lot more, and that is basically gonna extend the range of motion from the insertion and tie-in points of my chest. Ben, I put this on my 7-Set Sunday newsletter, but Ben from MI40 explains a lot better than I can. But when your elbows are in close to your chest, you're shortening the range of motion of what this part of your chest muscle is able to contract in. Whereas if you lengthen it, you're lengthening that range of motion from each tie-in point. So by doing this, I'm gonna be weaker in the amount of weight that I can push, but I'm gonna be stimulating the chest more. So here we go. All right, so that felt good. I actually got almost as heavy as I got last time with the other form, but I definitely felt it more in my chest. So I'm gonna keep doing that and just keep getting better. All right, we have left the gym. I'm waiting on Crystal to finish up her shower right now. We are headed to a couple different restaurant supply stores because we got a lot more equipment for the kitchen. So we have the inspector coming out tomorrow, so we want to kind of get things set up like they'll see it, and like it will actually be in production mode. So we're going to try and find a mixer, like a 20-quart mixer, and we're going to try and find a bunch of trays, a bunch of racks, like an induction oven top, stove top thing, and then some pots. So should be a pretty good day. Let's see what we see. Ooh, baby, you're all clean.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good.
You feel clean?
Yeah, I feel really clean.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Even though the camera's in your face?
Even though the camera's in my face.
You're happy?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too. Alright, so we are now at Dawn's Restaurant Supply, and we're kind of just perusing, looking around, seeing if we can get any good deals.
We need to get some of these. We're trying Aimco now because Dawn's was a no-go. Much bigger, huh?
Huge.
Alright, y'all, they had the mixer that I wanted, but they sold it like a week ago. So we're heading to the other restaurant supply store in Arkansas, which is in North Little Rock, to get a different mixer. Alright, y'all, we're getting gas now, but it's kind of noisy. I did stock up at the last restaurant supply, so let me show you what we got. So we have all these measurement containers. We have a super cool digital scale that goes up to 30 pounds. We have a stock pot. We have an induction burner. And then we have this beauty. Look at that. Look at that. 20-quart mixer. We're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. Alright, y'all. So I got two big toys today. One is the mixer, which we've already seen. The other just came in. So let me open up this beast and let me show what we got. It's heavy. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a hint real quick before I get this thing set up. There's a hint. There's a hint right there. Let's see what we got. Yeah, buddy. Directions. Alright, sorry about that. My memory card got full. But check this out. Let me show you what we got. So, it is a grill. This is so I can attach it to the van. And basically, you feed sticks into it there. And then you've got, that's kind of the construction of it here. And then this is your cook grate, obviously. But I mean, how cool is that, y'all? Super solid construction. Just freaking rock solid. I can take that with me anywhere. Anyways. Huge shout out to Watchman Grills for sending me this. I am very appreciative. This is freaking awesome. I'm so excited to use it. So much so that I'm going to go to the grocery store right now, pick up some steaks, and that's what I'm going to be eating tonight. Alright, y'all, real quick before I go grill a steak on my new grill, check this out. So we got our induction burner set up, we got our scale set up, and then boom, look at this. Oh, I gotta close this. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Progress is coming along quite nicely. Alright, y'all, I'm at Edwards trying to get some steak for the grill. More heavy cream too. Boom, y'all, check it out. Check it out. We got it going. Getting some coals built up. Alright, y'all, time to see if this grill can cook a mean steak. Here we go. Let's cook it up, meat it up. Look at that beauty. All right, moment of truth. Taste test time. The grill makes the steak look good. The grill's cool, it functions great, but does it cook a flavorful steak? It certainly does. Josh Phelps, thanks a million, man. I appreciate the grill. I can't thank you enough. Amazing product. I don't normally promote products, but the grill's super cool. You're super cool. Anybody interested in that grill, check out at Watchman Stove on Instagram. Get your grill, do it right. Company's awesome, so more power to them. I'm gonna enjoy this steak, so I'll catch y'all later.